Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious toffee mojito. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 8-10 fresh mint leaves, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 2 teaspoons of rich brown sugar. Don't forget 2 ounces of your favorite white rum and 1 ounce of decadent toffee syrup. Have a highball glass and plenty of crushed ice ready to go. Now, let's build the foundation of our mojito. Place the fresh mint leaves and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar directly into your highball glass. Next, pour in 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Using a muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients together. This action releases the fragrant oils from the mint and dissolves the sugar, creating a flavorful base. With your muddled base ready, it's time to assemble the rest of your drink. Fill your highball glass almost to the top with crushed ice. Then, carefully pour in 2 ounces of white rum, followed by 1 ounce of the sweet toffee syrup. Give everything a good stir for about 15 seconds to ensure all the flavors are well combined and the drink is properly chilled. For the final touch, top off your delicious toffee mojito with a splash of refreshing club soda. This adds a lovely effervescence. Garnish your drink with a vibrant fresh mint sprig and a small lime wedge for an appealing presentation. Your homemade toffee mojito is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Cheers to your mixology skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.